Israel. What we're doing today is we're going to show you a demonstration of how our Crestron products can come together in a classroom environment. We were going to be focusing on the key concepts of content, collaboration, and control. So I'm up here in our presentation area, and we have two student pods today. We have pod 1 and pod 2. And I'm going to start off today with sharing some content. So I have a laptop over here. It's plugged in via USB. I've got a presentation that I'd like to share with you today. So I'm going to select this laptop button here. Using our DM NVX AV over IP technology, I'm able to preview that content right here. And then I can go ahead and route that not only to the front of the room, but it's also going to route to the student pods as well. I do have a student here today who's going to be sharing some content from their pod over here.
Okay, I'm going to share content via this physical USB-C connection. We're actually routing this via our mid-span power injector, which is 100 watts power delivery. Then we utilize DisplayPort alt mode for the monitor output from the host laptop. So once I plug this in, we're going to output to this display. So the touch panel here goes bold. I can route laptop 1 to this local monitor. Simple as that. I can then also share this content with the remaining displays in the classroom. And I can do that via a request.
And then I'm going to get a notification over here. So I can see that pod 1 would like to share. I'll go ahead and press that. I can preview this, make sure that's all right to share with the rest of the class. And when I hit start present, it's going to be routed to those monitors around the room. We can also share some content with Air Media. So we will share from this pod over here.
Sure. All right, so this is utilizing our connect adapter via Air Media 3000 series. This is the connect adapter AMTX3100. Once again, USB-C connectivity. Okay, also utilizes DisplayPort alt mode. The pairing happens automatically. Once the LED ring goes green, we're then able to share with the local monitor again. So we've gone green here. I can share that with the sticky fingers, and then I'll do that request again for sharing with the other monitors.
Yep, and then again, I'll get that request here, and I can go ahead and hit start present and have that routed around to the monitors in the space. One of the things that you will notice is we have this set up as a hybrid classroom. So this monitor here is actually what the remote participants would be able to see. And when this pod is presenting, we automatically switch the cameras to be able to show this area here. When we do have a hybrid classroom, it is important that we're able to bring this room to the remote participants so they're able to feel like they're part of the classroom. So we have a Zoom room set up. We can start a meeting, join an existing meeting, all right here within the touch panel. I do want to highlight some of our intelligent video solutions that we have here in this space. So I have the control here to be able to switch manually, as well as that automated switching that we saw here. We actually have 3 cameras up here at the front. This one right here is our I-12 camera, serves as our primary camera. That's going to connect via USB to our compute that's running Microsoft Teams or Zoom rooms. And then that will switch the output of the cameras directly with that one output. So we have 2 cameras here that are our P-series cameras. And then we have an additional camera back here. That's our I-20 camera. That camera is for our presenter right here. So as I'm walking around, you can see that that camera is going to be following me. And I can actually turn on our intelligent switching so that this is going to use visual cues to switch the cameras. When I leave the presentation zone, it'll switch to that wide view of the space. And then as I enter back into that presentation area, what you're going to notice is it will automatically switch the cameras back to that presenter tracking camera. So that gives you the freedom to match the camera behavior to how you're utilizing the space. Crestron control is always at the heart of everything that we do. So we have our new touch panels here, as well as this great screen right here that's going to be powered by our DGE 1000. So that's a little bit about how we have all of our technology here at Crestron coming together in a real life experience. Thank you so much.